Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This error usually happens due to compatibility issues or corrupted Roblox files, but it can be fixed using a few simple methods. First, locate Roblox Player on your PC. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and set it to Windows 8. After that, make sure to also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Once everything is selected, click Apply and then OK. After doing this, restart your computer and check if Roblox is now working properly. If the issue is still not fixed, the next thing you can try is installing the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and then click on Roblox for Windows. Press Install and wait for it to finish. In many cases, the Microsoft Store version works more smoothly and can fix the memory dump error. If Roblox is still crashing, the final solution is to remove corrupted local files. Go to the Windows search bar, type Run, and press Enter. In the Run box, type %local app, data %, and press Enter again. This will open the local app data folder. Now, look for the Roblox folder, right-click on it, and click Delete. Once the folder is deleted, restart your computer. Roblox will automatically recreate fresh files the next time you launch it, which should fix the memory dump error. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox memory dump error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.